I'm News 8's Tina Detel in Vernon. We are outside Rockville Superior Court, where 7 of the 25 UConn pro-Palestinian protesters who were arrested made their first appearance. 7 of the 25 protesters arrested on April 30th made their first appearance in court today. 6 of them are represented by attorney Aaron Romano.
On behalf of the UConn 6, I requested a date to review the evidence.
Romano questions whether or not students broke any laws when police say they refused to leave their encampment on the UConn campus. The university said at the time that the students broke the rules by setting up tents, which were banned under the guidelines set forth by the university. Later that day, the 25 arrested were released on a $1,000 bond, leaving the UConn police station to cheers from fellow protesters. Each faced charges of disorderly conduct and criminal mischief.
I haven't seen the evidence, and so we'll have an opportunity to see the evidence, and then we're curious to see what the evidence shows, to see if any crime was committed.
I'm a concerned community member who's here because it's my understanding that these young people, these brave young people, are standing up and raising their voices for peace and justice and against the genocide and humanitarian disaster that's currently happening in Israel.
This supporter of the protesters says he and others are calling on the charges to be dropped and are asking UConn to echo that call. They also don't want those who are students at UConn to face any academic disciplinary action. A spokesperson for UConn says it is against federal law to discuss whether anyone faces conduct reviews or discipline.
And these students are making their voices heard, saying no, and I stand with them, and I believe that they deserve our protection.
All of the cases for these protesters were continued until June 26th. Now there will be other protesters arraigned tomorrow, later this week, and next week as well. In Vernon, Tina Detel, News 8.